Now I'd like to hand you over to Arjun Jayaram, our CEO and founder, who's going to give us a company update. Arjun?
Thank you, Alex. I'm Arjun. I'm the founder and CEO of Baton Systems. Thought I'll give you a quick update of where we are on our product, the second one on the company update, and how we see the product and the company evolving for the second half of 2021 and going into 2022. On the product side, we have two products that are live in production, and we are actively working on the third one. Specifically, the first product that we have is what we call the cleared collateral product. The second one is an FX PVP interbank settlements with settlement finality. The third one that we are actively working on is intraday liquidity management for a large bank. Let's talk about each one of them. The first one on the cleared collateral product, what we do is we connect up to the CCPs on one side, and the second is we connect up to the custody banks. This is what we offer to an FCM. So an FCM is able to see their exposures and obligations to a CCP. They're also able to see their assets in real time across custody banks. And then we move collateral and cash from the FCMs to the CCPs, a process that used to take 12 to 16 hours. We are able to do this consistently in under 3 minutes. Again, we have many banks that are using this today, and we actively move anywhere from about $4 to $8 billion today with just the FCMs, just the CCPs that are live with the FCMs that are live today. We envision that going into 2021, towards the end of 2021, we will have 12 of the top CCPs live on the platform. And we also think that by end of 2021, we will have about 40% of the global margins moved in the cleared collateral space will be on Baton. Very thankful to our customers for trusting us with such a large responsibility. We continue to offer more features and more analytics on top of what we offer today. Moving on to the next one, which is the FX PVP. We're very excited about this product. We are now testing a true interbank FX PVP. The first one was what we did is we solved this particular problem for a very large global bank where we had multiple legal entities of the bank actively settling using Baton on a PVP basis. This was not possible before. A process that used to take anywhere from 1 to 2 days of pre-funding, we are able to do this in under 3 minutes, moving real money in real bank account with settlement finality in a true PVP manner. We settle about 18 currencies. We settle 18 currencies today, and on any given day, between 80 to 100,000 trades. These are FX trades. It could be spots, forwards, swaps that are actively settled on the platform. We are now enhancing that product, and we are truly building out the FX PVP network. This is something that is a big problem, as BIS has indicated. There's a big problem on doing a true PVP FX settlements, especially in non-CLS eligible currencies. We're very thankful to our customers for actually testing the Baton platform, and we hope we will be able to solve a big problem in the industry today. Moving on to the company update. I've been very careful about bringing in people just in time. It's always important in a startup that we bring in the right people and we bring in the people to work on the right problems. So today we are over 50 people. I believe we are about 52 people. By June of this year, we expect that to be about 60 people. And we are investing a lot of time and money in making sure that we have a true global support organization and focusing a lot on information security and having a dedicated track for information security. I'll talk about that in a bit. The first one is on the global support. We are now offering true 24/6. We are able to extend that to 24/7 when we have customers in the Middle East as well, where the weekends are slightly off. We will be able to offer a true 24/7 global support for all our customers. Moving on to the information security, very happy that this is the second year in continuously that we will be truly a SOC 2 Type 2 certified company. Specifically, we have an architecture that we offer to the customers, which is called a single tenant architecture, which means that Bank One's data infrastructure is going to be very different, not sharing any of the machines, any of the data boundaries, no sharing of data, with separate security policies from Bank 2. And that is very important. And each one scales independent of the other. And we have to have different security policies, different DR testing, BCP testing for each customer. We are now offer that out of the box for all customers. And we have dedicated teams that are looking at not just CI/CD pipeline, that's continuous integration, continuous delivery, but also making sure that we truly run through a series of vulnerability testing, penetration testing, business continuity, disaster recovery for every customer. We are able to provide a lot of governance reports on every monthly basis for all our customers. Again, we believe that when we're going to be market infrastructure, we will be the market infrastructure for doing securities and cash settlements. And for that, you need an infrastructure such as this and a governance body such as what we're doing. We are investing a lot in that today. We also are a VC-funded company. We have Trinity Ventures, Alsop Louis, and Illuminate Financials. Specifically Mark Beeston, Gilman Louis, and Schwach, who are members of my board along with me. Very happy that we are well funded. We are executing. We are heads down executing on what we have in front of us. We are having a lot of interest from VC community as well as from banks to invest in it. We will look at it in the right time. Right now it is about executing what we have in front of us. So in going into 2021. The rest of 2021, like I told you, our focus in 2020 was to focus only on the tier 1 banks. And not because the tier 1, tier 2s were not important, or the tier 3s were not important, or corporate clients were not important. It is that we thought that when you focus on the tier 1 banks, we would be able to get deep into their systems. We would get deep into the CCPs, all the market infrastructure, so that we can move assets on demand. And specifically, we targeted only the top 20 institutions. And very happy that 8 of them are on the platform. Moving into the rest of the year, I expect that to be about 11. And when I say 11, these are truly integrated into their trading systems, into their payment gateways, into their custody banks. And now we offer a whole bunch of payment strategies. Let me talk a little bit about that. As we started offering our solutions and people started seeing the true power of having programmatically moving their assets. First is real-time visibilities of their assets, and then having different strategies to move those assets. This could be a different netting strategy. Why should I net it all at the end of the day? I want to net it on demand based on certain criteria, based on the strength of my balance sheet, based on how much risk I want. So we call it a series of netting strategies. And the second one is a series of payment strategies. You're talking about a global bank that has 60 different currencies that they settle in and various types of securities. And these are truly global in nature with hard cutoff times between central banks and CSDs. These are complex problems to solve. And so now you need to manage your intraday liquidity. You manage your risk in a very, very systematic manner. And you want to do this in a programmatic manner. And that is what we call a series of programmable strategies that we offer both for netting as well as for payments. Specifically on the payments, we offer things like splitting a payment. Splitting a large payment into smaller payments all through the day. And the second one is conditional payments. I want to make payments in one market subject to receiving payments in another markets. These are the real world scenarios that we hit with our customers. And we continue to expand that. And the next natural extension for that would be what we call payment analytics along with insights into this. So you have predictability into your cash flows all through the day. These are real world problems that our customers expose these problems to us. And we're very thankful for the opportunity that we have from our largest customers. Our customers have continued to be our biggest champions. They have helped shape our product roadmap, and we wouldn't be here without them. So very thankful to all our customers. And hopefully we'll be able to offer our solutions to the clients of our clients. So that's our next strategy. That is, the clients of our tier 1 banks would be the tier 2s as well as corporate customers. And tier 2 doesn't mean they are less important. It is just that they are clients of our large banks. They are the clients of our prime brokers. And so we'll be able to offer our solutions, and so that the clients of our clients will be able to manage their balance sheets, manage their risk in a much better fashion. So going into 2022, we expect that we will be able to expand our customer base and expand our product offering for the clients of our clients. So we're very excited about our opportunities and our possibilities here. Again, thank you very much. Over to you, Alex.